YouTube fam, what is up? I have a special announcement for today. It's some big announcement, like, cause me personally, like, I don't attach myself to a lot of stuff, but whenever I do, it's a big deal. But anyways, the big announcement for today is your boy has partnered up with Team Reshoevn8r. Now go ahead and clap it up. Yep, Reshoevn8r. I am part of the team. They sent me over a care package, so I want to go ahead and dive into it and let you guys know what's going on. Alright, so they sent me over a care package and I just wanted to go over it real quick for you guys. The Reshoevn8r shoe cleaner right here. Ooh, got a lot of stuff in here. Dang, I need like a little table or something. So, we know what these are. You got your shoe trees. Some of y'all need these because, man, shoe trees, ultimately, if you're not hip or you don't know what's going on, shoe trees, you just put these in your shoe whenever your shoe starts to crease. That's why, I don't know if any of you guys know, like, for the old heads, whenever you buy shoes, they come with the shoe trees in there just to help, you know, keep the toe box from creasing up and whatnot. So that's pretty much what that's for. All right, so we got the stiff bristle brush right here, medium bristle brush, there we go, soft bristle brush, there we go, focus up, yes sir, y'all see it. Nice little bag that we can put our things into if you want to take it with you on the go, you know, wherever you go. Microfiber cloth, Reshoevn8r cleaning solution. We got a water and stain repellent, sneaker wipes. You get 12 in each pack. Reshoevn8r power pad. Power pads are essentially like, what's a good way of putting this? Like the Mr. Clean pads that you can, like, you know, you got a spot where you like scrub it out. So that's what all they sent over. So I want to give you guys example of all this. I want to show you how to properly clean your shoes with the Reshoevn8r products. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So first we gotta pack up all our stuff. Gotta get all our stuff together, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get all our stuff together. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's go. For right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to, you know, clean your shoes real quick with the Reshoevn8r products. Now, forgive me for what I'm about to show you guys, but whenever you don't wear your Jordan 1s, y'all know about the glitter effect. So I have like multiple pairs of bread ones, and I haven't been showing love to this pair in particular. So y'all see like the glitter. We all know about that glitter effect when the ones sit in the box and you don't wear them. So here we are, we're here right now. So this is not too bad of a clean, you know, but we gotta get this glitter off. So we need our cleaning solution. I'll set that right there. Microfiber cloth, but this is for later on, so we just gonna set that to the side. The hard bristle brushes, me personally, I would just use on a shoe that really needs to be cleaned. The materials on the shoe doesn't call for the hard brush. So you can either use the soft or medium. Like I said, it really don't matter, so I'm gonna just go with this one. So we're gonna set that to the side. All right, and I already got a shoe tree in there. But I'm gonna take it out. You just need some water. I would opt for cool water. I don't think it really matters, but I would opt for cool water. You don't need that much, just a little bit. Set that to the side, kind of do that. Get your hand down in the shoe and just go to work. Now you just scrubbing the solution to do everything that you needed to do. Another tip too, since laces are black, I don't need to take them out precisely, so you can just leave them in there. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Glitter gone. Like, look at that. Feels good. Look at it. All right, let's knock out the other pair real quick. Looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. No more glitter, no more glitter. And when you get done with the cleaning, just rinse it off. I would just do this, kind of dry it off a little bit. Let it sit and dry. You'll let your shoes sit and dry as well. Shouldn't even take about an hour, probably about a good 30 minutes to let them dry. But be careful with some of the materials on your shoes because you wanna, like, that's why I didn't use, I don't know if y'all can see that. That's why I didn't use the hard bristle brush because the paint can come off. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can see that red. All right, so appreciate you guys watching this video. And before we go, make sure you guys go down in the description and there's a link to reshoevn8r right now that you can click on and go ahead and purchase you some products. Go ahead and get you some products. Go ahead and clicking on that link, you'll also get a discount. So go ahead, click on that link down below in the description. Go ahead. I give you time. Go ahead. Hopefully you hit that link down in the description, and I just want to say thank you guys, and I want to give a special shout out to reshoevn8r. I'm team reshoevn8r, so appreciate you guys for sending over these products. In the description, go ahead and copy something real quick, and like I said, you'll get like a little discount by using that link. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, let me know if you copped or not, and yeah, that's what's going on right now. And oh, one more thing, I'm selling shoes too, so go to depop. But all right, Swaggy T, I'm out. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace. Peace.